Perfect.
Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. I'm Erkin, this is the life of a broski. So I'm doing another video on the Air Max Plus Freeze simply because these colorways are You ready for it, guys? I don't know if you can see, but I got like goosebumps. Oh my. Oh, these colors are just amazing. You know what these colors remind me of? The Grand Theft Auto Vice City cover. These parts are actually reflective. The pinks, the oranges, even the yellows. The way they've done this colorway. So this is the Hyper Violet colorway, which in my opinion is the best out at the moment of the Air Max Plus Freeze. Oh, look at that. The little tuned air. TN on the top, Air Max Plus on the tongue, tuned air of course there, tuned air at the bottom. Yes, they've done this right. They have done this exactly how it should be done. This colorway, amazing. These are the black and wolf grey colorway. OMG, a roadman's dream. Look at how they've done this. You know, I was a bit skeptical with the grey on the black. I was just like, why didn't they do all black? There's a lot of greys, silvers, dark greys, and of course the blacks on here. Underneath, they've gone for the grey with the hole punches and the stripes and the tuned air. This bit is done really well. I'm glad they kept that black. And on the tongue, Air Max Plus with the TN sign, the little cloth part here. Amazing. Look at the texture. Whoa. Like I said on the Hyper Violets, these strips are reflective. So when light is shining directly onto it, it is reflective. I had my doubts with this colorway, but they have done this exactly spot on. Same exactly with the Hyper Violets. I'm very happy. Now I have already done an Air Max Plus Free Hyper Blue colorway. If you haven't already, click the link down below or I'll leave a card up here, so check that out. But these have just been released, so I thought it was only right to do this Air Max justice and get both of these on the show. Now I am going to try these bad boys on just so you can see what they look like on foot, and if you're deciding between the two, maybe this video could help you pick. So I'll see you in a tick. In terms of overall sneaker, I love this sneaker very, very dearly. Very cushioned, very comfortable, true to size, very, very true to size. Stylistically amazing, eye-catching for the right reasons, and I could wear these on a daily every single day. So overall, it is indeed a buy, but color-wise, I have to pick between the two. So side by side, oof. I'd go for the hyper violets over the wolf greys just because I've got so many black trainers and these just stand out to me. Summertime especially, winner winner, chicken dinner. I'm just drawn to these pinks and the yellows and the oranges on this, to be honest. It's very, very unique, you know. The wolf greys, if I didn't have so many black trainers like the 720s, 270s, I'd end up going for these. I love trainers in a black colorway. I've always expressed this, but it's not just black. It's wolf grey included with the black. That does change things a little bit. I'm gonna have to give the crown to the hyper violets. It just does so many things right in terms of how they've implemented the colors. It's like a sunset in like Miami or somewhere. Got like accents of flamingos, you know, the pink. It just reminds me of flamingos. So I'm gonna have to give the crown to the hyper violets out of the hyper violets and the wolf greys. But overall, the Air Max Plus 3s, whatever color you get, they are indeed a buy. So guys, I want to hear from you. What colorway would you pick out of the wolf grey or the hyper violets? Leave a comment down below and I will be pinning the best comment that I see. Truly, 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 truly. Oh my god, you're joking me. Sneaker wise, oh come on bro. Broskis, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care.